So I made 20 of these wooden toys. There's videos before talking about the entire concept and process. This is about making all 20 of the toys by hand. The first thing we did was cut them with a scroll saw. There's a kind of art to like the amount that you can push and bend the blade. Too much and the blade snaps, too little and the wood doesn't cut. Once we get the rough cut of all of them, we sanded them with belt sander that we would flip upside down, put a zip tie on, turn on basically permanently. Once they got the rough sanding done, we sanded them all by hand with 300 grit, 800 grit, and 2000 grit. They then got 2 or 3 coats of paint. We ended up doing a stenciling situation with a Cricut machine. So basically we were able to put on the negative of the face, paint around it, and peel them off. Wanted to be able to balance the hat at the back of the head. So we were embedding these magnets under the skull, but if we put them too deep, the magnet wasn't strong enough, but not too shallow where they were poking out. Then finally, we put them all through a clear coat of polyurethane, and they got this nice sort of shine to them. But for the most part, they're meant to be completely identical. The only thing that is different is that each of the 20 have their own unique hat design. So I hand drew a different shape each of the fronts of the hat. So depending on which number you get, you'll get a different hat design. In the next videos, we're going to go through the packaging, a bunch of collaborations that came out of it, all the promo materials that I made. If you're interested, sign up for email newsletter updates. There's a link in my bio for that. Stay tuned for the next video.